Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show and tell you how to pin a message in WhatsApp. Please write me if my solution helped you, if you managed to do it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Let's get started. In order for you and me to pin a message on an iPhone or iPad in WhatsApp, we need to go to the WhatsApp app itself. And then there are so many different chat rooms. And if we want to tag a particular message, then we'll say we go down to the bottom. We'll find a particular person. Let's say a group. We swipe to the right and press pin. And then that person moves to the top of the chat room. And then it's pinned. Any other messages that come in, they'll go down to the bottom. But this person's will be at the top. If we want to unfriend, we swipe right and click unfriend. That's how easy it is. But if you help them like this video, write me if it worked for you in my opinion or not. I'll read it and reply to everyone. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all again. Goodbye.